भाई
before 1947.
क्यों?
That app is like a Tinder for clothes.
You can actually place the product in your room like virtually.
प्रियंका चोपड़ा की बड़ी फेमस ब्रांड है.
ब्रांड बनाने के लिए आई फील कि इंडिया जैसी कंट्री इज द बेस्ट. 3 months में हमारे मोर देन 750 अराउंड 800 कस्टमर्स थे. हमारा इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट इट गॉट सस्पेंडेड ट्वाइस. So hello guys, welcome to Unseen X. So today we have with us Drishti again, my sister.
Hi guys.
So आज हम podcast start करेंगे. We'll start it with a rapid fire round. Are you ready for this, Drishti?
I am actually indeed ready for this.
Chalo. Then let's start. So Drishti, first question. If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Probably being invisible.
If you could eat one cuisine for the rest of your life,
If I could pan Asian, I guess, or sushi.
क्या exactly dish? Yeah.
Dish में
भाई
you
sushi
know
होगा
it,
तेरा.
you know
हाँ,
it
of
is
course.
sushi.
Yeah. Morning person or night owl?
Morning person.
Oh, चल रहने दे.
I think everyone knows I'm a night owl.
हाँ तो सबको नहीं पता ना यार.
I don't need to
हाँ,
say
ठीक
that
है.
out loud.
Yeah,
I'm a
okay.
night owl, guys.
Yeah.
नींद नहीं आती रातों में.
Do you think AI will take over the world?
I don't think it'll take over the world. I feel like it's going to grow, and it can grow in a way that can be favorable to us if we are taking care of it.
Sneaker or heels?
Sneakers, definitely.
Vintage or modern?
Vintage.
If you could live in any city in the world, where would it be?
I'm not sure about this. Probably I've been to Dubai once. So that for now, but I'm not sure.
What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
Took a bike trip from Chandigarh to Chitkul, which is in Himachal, with my brother.
Chalo. Thanks for acknowledging.
Right.
Chalo. So now, Drishti, what we'll do is we'll come on to the next part of our podcast, which is like I'm gonna ask you a few questions. मैं कुछ questions पूछने वाला हूँ. तो let's hear out. नहीं यार, normal एकदम.
थोड़े easy questions.
So we'll hear out your opinions कि मतलब yeah.
Sure.
So if you could travel back in time, which era would you like to visit and why?
That's an interesting question. Probably, I think I would love to see India before the partition. Before 1947.
क्यों?
क्योंकि ये डिस्कस कर चुके हैं हम आई थिंक एक बार, क्योंकि मेरे को कश्मीर देखना है विदाउट यू नो द लाइक द होल कश्मीर जो हमारा कश्मीर था. दैट और
पाकिस्तान भी देखना है.
श्योर दैट वाज दो जो पार्टीशन से पहले का हिंदुस्तान था वो देखना है मुझे. और इधर 1970s also. I think 1970s में I really liked the music at that time, Hindi and English also. I love a band एक time जो it's called the Turtles, so it was very famous at that time.
Right.
So yeah, probably.
I think तेरे को ये भी देखना है कि उस टाइम पे लोगों का फैशन सेंस क्या होता था.
Sure, I would love to see it. I anyways love vintage
तूने बताया था,
fashion.
you told me. Yeah.
तो हाँ.
So coming on to the next question. So how would you describe your personal style?
I don't think I need to describe my personal style.
क्यों?
I think everyone knows that I'm a very lazy dresser. I think मेरे को मुझे पसंद है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा comfortably dressed हूँ. I really hate going out of my comfort zone in terms of fashion. So yeah, I'm always dressing very comfortable.
So आज यहाँ आने से पहले you are like today are you in your comfort?
I think yeah, I'm wearing the normal oversized shirts and the jeans. So I wear very basic clothes. So I'm always like wearing oversized shirts and oversized jeans. So that's something that I always wear. Other than that, I also feel like personal style. I really love formals. So I own a lot of shirts. मेरे पास सिर्फ शर्ट्स ही हैं. इनफैक्ट अब तो मम्मा मेरे को सुनाने लगी हैं कि कुछ और भी ले ले. Right. Shirts के अलावा. So I have formals and I wear formals everywhere.
हम्म
And I think at this point my friends also they're fed up with me कि ये point out कर चुके हैं बहुत बार
हम्म
काफी लोग.
कि मत पहना कर फॉर्मल्स अब.
हाँ मतलब मेरे को अब whenever I'm going out with my friends
हम्म
जब भी कहीं जाना होता है so I'm dressed up according to me I'm dressed up and then they mention that you know we're going to have a dinner and we're going for clubbing so तैयार तो हो जा. मैंने कहा भाई मैं तो तैयार हूँ भाई. Because that's very frustrating but yeah I dress very comfortable.
सही
I
है, I
feel like
think.
I have a good eye though. मतलब I have a good eye for fashion. मतलब I can tell what's good and what's bad. But would I ever go out of my comfort zone to try that? Probably not.
नहीं, I think even formal it's pretty cool.
Yeah,
Like
I
even
like
when you,
formals and it's comfortable.
it's
Like I'm wearing this right, like I'm wearing semi-formals right now. I'm always wearing shorts and it's pretty comfortable.
right. So coming on to the next question, can you recall a moment when you realized technology could revolutionize fashion? कभी ऐसा कोई ऐसी चीज देखी हो कुछ?
So I feel like 100% technology has revolutionized fashion, especially in the recent times. I mean, we must have noticed COVID ke baad, I feel like a lot of e-commerce and these small businesses they saw a major boom. So the entire market had shifted from physical stores to online shopping. So that happened because of technology. So
Of
that
course.
was one thing. So in that sense, जो online shopping पे हमारा major shift आया था, that again it happened because of technology. And a moment where I actually realized that wow, technology is actually revolutionizing fashion is when I came across this app on Instagram. So this app was all over my feed. It's called the Style app. I don't know if
Oh,
you've
acha.
heard of it.
Yeah, I think I've heard about
Yeah,
it.
so
What is it? Tell. Yeah.
right. So this app is founded by a Desi guy only. He's probably our age. He's very young. So this app, I feel like इसका बड़ा interesting concept है इस app का. So this app, it's like a Tinder for clothes.
Oh.
And what this app basically does is आपको ये different clothes दिखाएगा.
अच्छा.
And you can swipe right if you like the style and you can swipe left if you don't like something, and according to that the app will pick that up and it will learn your style.
Oh,
So
crazy.
they are going to curate your feed according to your style.
Yeah, of course. So like this only, have you heard about AR, the recent this technology?
Yeah, I've heard of it. I mean, I think it's the same concept as Lenskart, right?
Yeah, it's
I
actually
was going to
yeah,
bring
it's
up Lenskart also.
it's pretty similar. It's the same concept only. So in that what happens is you can actually आप virtually product try कर सकते हो. You can try the product virtually. So suppose for example IKEA Place app. So suppose if you want to buy a furniture, so आप उनकी Place app पे IKEA Place app पे जाके you can actually see, you can actually place the product in your room like virtually, and you can see how it looks, how it goes with everything. So it's actually pretty cool. So ऐसी काफी this is coming up in the fashion as well. आजकल like you can आप अपने आप कपड़े जो है virtually try कर सकते हो. You can try the clothes.
Really?
Yeah, and you can see how it goes, and then
so that's why I was mentioning apps like Lenskart because I know you can try the glasses online. So I feel like yeah, that's going to we are going to see that revolution in fashion as well, where there is going to be a time where there are going to be a lot of apps जिसपे आप try कर सकते हो virtually चीजें like jewelry or clothes or something like that.
Yeah, and also because मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि काफी e-commerce इंडस्ट्रीज अब ई-कॉमर्स काफी मतलब बढ़ रहा है, काफी ऐसे ऑनलाइन स्टोर्स खुल रहे हैं, एंड दैट्स अ प्रीटी ग्रेट कॉन्सेप्ट. लाइक द फ्यूचर इज ग्रेट फॉर ई-कॉमर्स आई बिलीव. सो मतलब ऐसी टेक्नोलॉजीज वी गेट टू हेयर एवरी डे, लाइक कुछ ना कुछ आ ही रहा है.
Do you know of any such app जिसमें आप virtually clothes try कर सकते हो और outfit?
क्लोथ्स आई थिंक इंडिया में इतनी एज सच अभी एप्स नहीं है, but yeah, like bahar I've actually I don't remember the name or names of these apps, but like I've heard about this concept. Like exactly I don't remember, but yeah, there are apps where you can try it out. Like it's a pretty new concept abhi, and abhi dheere dheere it's gonna take pace I believe. So I've got a next question for you. So what kind of a shopper are you?
I am definitely an online shopper.
Mm-hmm.
मुझे नहीं पसंद बाहर जाना अपने कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर निकल के. I just cannot stand physical stores. I cannot go out and pick anything up, and I am very bad at making decisions.
Mm-hmm.
So मुझसे तो नहीं होता कि मैं बाहर जाके एकदम मतलब I really need to evaluate what I'm buying. So online shopping, I'm going to go through all the reviews. I'm going to read everything. I'm going to see the ratings, and then I proceed to buy.
I think in Gen Z ये काफी मतलब अब हो गया है और मतलब
After
या
COVID
मतलब
also,
या
like
आफ्टर
where
कोविड
everyone
ऑल्सो
says.
लाइक मतलब जैसे हमारे पेरेंट्स वगैरह हो गए दे मोस्टली प्रेफर गोइंग टू स्टोर्स एंड बट हाँ आज जो नई जनरेशन है सो या आई मीन
मेरी फैमिली तो इनफैक्ट
हाँ
they are after me कि why don't you go outside and buy clothes, इस पे अच्छा आता ही नहीं है,
हाँ
क्वालिटी अच्छी होती ही नहीं है. तो उनका यही बैठा हुआ है कि नहीं क्वालिटी अलग होती है. So they or there always someone who will go out in the stores, like my mama, she always goes out and then buys. और वो उनका ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग उनको नहीं समझ में आता.
हाँ आई थिंक
But
उन
I'm
लोगों
someone
को
I
नहीं
cannot
या
I cannot go out and then buy stuff. I'm just not going to.
या इवन
I can
मी लाइक
definitely.
दीज डेज मतलब अब यही हो गया कि ऑनलाइन ही शॉप करना है और मतलब हाँ
बहुत
मन ही नहीं करता यार
comfortable
बाहर
अगर
जाए
आपको
एग्जैक्टली
without going out of your comfort zone, you're getting everything at your doorstep. Then why would you do anything and like go out
एग्जैक्टली
of your comfort zone to do things? Especially everyone, I think these days everyone is busy with their own lives and doing their own things. So नहीं time मिलता बिल्कुल.
सही बात है
So now I think even I have some questions for you talking about startups and e-commerce.
श्योर गो अहेड
Yeah, so if you're talking about startups and e-commerce, small businesses, you being yourself a startup owner, um, how do you think the current startup ecosystem is in
Okay,
India
so
or in general?
so before that, so I'll like to tell everyone. So the name of our startup is Unseen Accessories and
Nice.
Unseen, yeah. So Unseen X is our podcast channel.
channel.
Coming back to your question, yeah. So what I feel is currently like India has got a lot of potential, especially for the startups. So reason being like there's a lot of government support first of all, lot of technological innovation coming up in India, and yeah, like you must have heard things like Startup India. In that, what happens is that there are a lot of benefits from the government, like 3-year tax exemption if you're like if you're incorporating in the first 10 years of incorporation. So and there's a lot of funding schemes as well. So I guess the government they initiated like a fund of 10,000 crore like for the startups.
Wow, that's
in India.
amazing.
Yeah. So I feel, yeah, there are a lot of things which are contributing in this process, which is making like this time the best time to start your own business. And there are a lot of funding opportunities as well, like available at the moment. A lot of investment opportunities, and because it's comparatively easier to get funding like before it's comparatively it's easier. So what happens is it also helps in improving scalability of the business. So matlab so there are a lot of things that's the reason why I think it's the best time. And current ecosystem it's definitely it's thriving in India. If I
Definitely.
yeah
Like अभी के time पे तो I've heard so many people start with their
yeah
own or build their own
lot of
startups.
people yeah
Yeah, so that's good. But do you think that it has gotten crowded now, like in a way that that we have too many startups and it might cause a hindrance?
yeah of course there are too many startups but I feel lot of startups they're shutting down as well like जितनी जल्दी वो आते हैं उतनी जल्दी बंद भी हो जाते हैं बहुत
हाँ.
startups ऐसा नहीं है
तो
तो
मैं वही
बट
कह रही
हाँ
हूँ कि
लाइक
आजकल
अभी
हो
तो
सकता है
मतलब
कि
अभी तो बस आई फील कि स्टार्टअप्स की हवा इट्स जस्ट स्टार्टेड कि अभी इट हैज टू गो अ लॉन्ग वे
right.
बिकॉज एज आई टोल्ड यू लाइक इतनी सारी चीजें आ रही है लाइक एआई एंड ऑल सो आई थिंक बहुत ज्यादा बेनिफिट करने वाला है स्पेशली ई कॉमर्स इंडस्ट्री को so a lot of startups people like they start up with their online business
Right.
e-commerce.
I feel like the ecosystem is definitely good. Like
Yeah.
अभी potential तो बहुत है, but you just need to figure out a way
मतलब
to stand out. If you stand out, then that's where you get.
You have to have your USP, and I think sustainable practices, that's also one of the most important aspect in businesses
मतलब
today,
आपको
because
ये पता होना चाहिए कि आप के यूएसपीज क्या हैं, like you said, and आप स्टैंड आउट कैसे कर रहे हो. जैसे आपने वो ब्रांड प्रियंका चोपड़ा की बड़ी फेमस ब्रांड है, Bare Anomaly. I think it's the name.
I'm not aware exactly the name.
Okay,
Yeah.
Bare Anomaly is the name of that brand. It's a hair care brand.
अच्छा.
And उसका majorly now I think it's one of the it's making millions right now. I'm not sure, but ये Kylie Jenner की brand से भी it's on the second number or something like that. And the major boom they saw in their selling was when they started practicing the जो भी
Sustainable practices.
थी, ये सारी चीजें करके, and उनकी packaging को उन्होंने improve किया again with sustainable packaging. So now it has grown a lot and it has seen a lot of popularity.
Yeah.
So in that sense, so yeah,
Definitely.
okay. So one more question. Before this, you were in Australia. We all know that.
Yeah.
For 5 years. You went there for studying, and also you were there working for a while. So उस time पे आपको कभी ख्याल नहीं आया कि maybe I would like to start a brand over there as well?
नहीं आया था एक्चुअली, वहाँ पे भी मतलब मैंने सोचा था. सो वहाँ पे आई हर्ड ऑफ दिस ड्रॉप शिपिंग, मतलब मुझे था कि आई वांट टू डू दिस थिंग. इसमें क्या होता है कि डायरेक्टली जो प्रोडक्ट है वो सप्लायर से सीधा कस्टमर के डोर पे जाता है. सो जैसे सप्लायर सपोज वो चाइना में है, तो सपोज मेरे कस्टमर यूएस में है या यूके में है, कहीं भी है, तो वो डायरेक्टली द प्रोडक्ट इट विल गो ओवर देयर. यू हैव टू फाइंड certain suppliers, but the thing is that the problem over there was कि हाँ मैं ब्रांड बनाने का बहुत सोचना पड़ता है, because it's very expensive. अगर बाहर जाओ, the labor cost, ठीक है, रॉ मटेरियल्स, एवरीथिंग, इट्स सो एक्सपेंसिव. तो मतलब ये तो सोचा था कि हाँ कुछ ऐसा करना है. सो तब भी मतलब आई स्टार्टेड ड्रॉप शिपिंग ज्वेलरी वहां पे भी, बिकॉज ऑफ द कोविड एंड देन रिलेशंस ऑफ चाइना एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया, लाइक देयर वाज लाइक काफी हिंड्रेंसेस थी. उसकी वजह से प्रोडक्ट्स जो है मेरे वो कस्टमर तक टाइम पे नहीं पहुंच पा रहे थे. तो मतलब उस टाइम पे थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी जरूर. बट या आई स्टार्टेड ऑफ एज डूइंग ड्रॉप शिपिंग. बट ब्रांड बनाने के लिए आई फील कि इंडिया जैसी कंट्री इज द बेस्ट. कि बिकॉज लाइक यू नो सब जो भी चीज देख लो, पैकेजिंग से लेके रॉ मटेरियल से लेके सब कुछ, या एंड वहां पे तो मतलब इस चीज का था डिसएडवांटेज. तो मतलब मैं सोचा था, बट हाँ वही जो मैंने बताया वो नहीं हो पाया. राइट.
All right. So last question for you then. So initially when we started, you started by the name of Mint Accessories.
Yeah.
And उस time पे I saw you working so hard. In fact, we all were working so hard. As a family. पूरा खानदान काम कर रहा था इस चीज पे. Someone was packaging, and it was again a jewelry business. And
so yeah, so you can tell.
Yeah, you can tell about Mint Accessories.
नहीं, you can tell, like we changed. Yeah, okay, I'll tell. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so Mint Accessories was basically the same thing like Unseen we have right now. But when we started by the name of Mint Accessories, and I saw him working very hard. In fact, we all were working very hard. Someone was पैकेजिंग, कोई टैग्स लगा रहा था, कोई कुछ कर रहा था, तो सबको इन्होंने काम पे लगा ही रखा था. वी ऑल्सो गॉट अ वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स. वी वर डूइंग अ लॉट ऑफ कॉलेज इवेंट्स ऑल्सो एट दैट टाइम, व्हिच अगेन सॉ अ वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स. सो after that we faced a major setback. So my question is, would you want to talk about what that setback was, or what are some of the struggles that you faced as a startup owner?
हाँ, तो सेटबैक्स तो थे काफी. और हाँ, जैसे तूने बोला मिंट एसेसरीज का जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था, सो द रिस्पॉन्स इट वाज रियली गुड. सो ओनली इन 3 months, आई थिंक 3 months में हमारे more than 750 around 800 customers थे, and I think organic reach जो थी, that played a very big part, like us going to events and putting up pop-up stalls in Delhi universities and मतलब सब जगह. So I think that helped us उस टाइम पे काफी. और हाँ, मतलब उसके बाद हमें कुछ सेटबैक्स रहे थे, लाइक हमारा इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट इट गॉट सस्पेंडेड ट्वाइस. सो एंड देन हमारा एड अकाउंट. सो बेसिकली हम परफॉर्म लाइक obviously if we are an e-commerce brand, we are spending on performance marketing as well. So because of that we get lot of leads, है ना. तो फिर at that point of time when our Instagram account got suspended, then our Facebook, this Meta ads account also got disabled. So because of that I think तब हमें काफी प्रॉब्लम आई थी. एंड नाम को लेके भी कुछ इश्यूज चल रहे थे हमारे, because of which we actually decided to completely rebrand and make it Unseen Accessories. So हाँ, and I feel कि setbacks तो जब आप कोई भी चीज स्टार्ट करते हो तो आते ही हैं, वो बहुत नॉर्मल सी चीज है, बट लाइक you have to tackle them and then you have to keep consistently working towards it. I think that's the major thing. So we are trying our best, Abhi, and now it's Unseen Accessories.
That's great. So
Yeah.
consistency is the key then.
Yeah, of course. I mean अभी मैं तो वही बोलना चाहूंगा वैसे तो कि consistent.
क्योंकि I think after a point it's very difficult, मतलब जब आप देख लेते हो कि आपने कितना hard work उसमें put in करा है.
And even the response, like we still have like lot of retained customers who are actually like without, like for a long time we weren't running ads also, but still we were getting like customers who are ordering, and that was mainly because of the organic reach and also repeated customers as well थे. Even when we were facing problems and Mint Accessories के बाद we went like we tried the name of Damint and then कुछ issue आया, but then we completely shifted to Unseen. But still we had many retained customers जिनको हमने अभी पीछे ही हमने recently उनको mail भेजा है, because of course when we get orders online, तो फिर we get all the like suppose email address or contact number they put in like while ordering, so we have sent them that हमारा जो वेबसाइट है, हाँ, it's shifted to Unseen. तो तूने नहीं सोचा कभी, like you never thought of starting your own thing, your own business?
I think of course at some point I'm not really a 9 to 5 person. After all, we are Sindhi people. So yeah, I mean at some point I would love to start my own thing one day. But हाँ, अभी के लिए तो I'm just learning, exploring, and trying to figure out a lot of things. But yeah, I mean I think I would need a lot of help from you as well.
नहीं यार, तूने भी काफी हेल्प करी है. You also like.
हाँ, now
so
that I've seen everything, how everything
Of
works
course.
up close, I think it's going to be a little easier for me. So how one day I would love that. But what is one piece of advice you would like to give me or anyone who's going to build their own startup or who wants to start their own
यार एडवाइस तो मेनली क्या ही, बट हाँ मतलब आई वुड वांट टू से वन थिंग कि बिकॉज इवन आवर ब्रांड इज वेरी न्यू, सो बट द एडवाइस वुड बी कि just keep going, like you know you'll face setbacks and things are gonna come in between, but even like कि चीजें होती हैं, कुछ खराब चीजें भी होती हैं, बट उसको कभी वो मत उससे डीमोटिवेट होके ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि यू नो आई शुड जस्ट, मैं मतलब अब आगे नहीं करूंगा या आई विल क्लोज दिस. सो आई थिंक कि जस्ट कीप गोइंग, बिकॉज इवेंचुअली आई फील जो बिजनेसेस सस्टेन कर जाते हैं वो ग्रो कर जाते हैं. ये मेरी थिंकिंग है.
right. So not giving up then and being consistent.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली.
Right. So that's good advice. Thanks for that. Alright.
So बहुत पूछ लिया तूने, और आई थिंक दैट शुड बी इनफ.
That's all I had.
Yeah. With this we'll end this podcast, and thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. चलें फिर सुशी खाने.